This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. On Android, enable developer options and toggle USB debugging so your PC can communicate. This matters for transfers and ADB. Once done, plug a data-capable USB cable into phone and PC. Do not use a charge-only cable because it won't expose files. When your phone prompts, pick File Transfer or MTP. This lets Windows or Mac OS storage. Make sure the phone stays unlocked while you confirm the connection on the computer. Next, switch to wireless if you prefer cable-free workflow. You must connect both phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. 4 GHz is often steadier for local links. Install and open the matching app on each device. For example, your phone companion for Windows, KDE Connect for Linux, or an FTP app for direct file access. Once discovered, authorize the pairing code and grant permissions for files, notifications, and clipboard so transfers and mirroring will work smoothly. Finish by validating the link. Transfer a test file and verify size and timestamp to ensure integrity. If things go wrong, restart both phone and PC, switch cables, try a different USB port, or move to the other Wi-Fi band. Small network quirks often block discovery. For persistent issues, revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options and reauthorize, or use ADB commands for advanced connections. Keep permissions enabled until you complete transfers. Then you can disable debugging for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.